Hello friends, hope you are doing well. So today's video topic is how to fix audio related issues on Windows 10. As you can see the error which I am facing right now, you can see the red cross icon on my speaker. In this video, I will provide a solution to fix all the audio related issues in Windows 10. So let's start with our step 1. Click on your Windows icon and type troubleshooter. Now click on this option, troubleshoot settings. On the right side, click on additional troubleshooters. Now click on this option, playing audio, and after that click on this troubleshooter, run the troubleshooter, click on it. So this troubleshooter will identify and try to fix your audio related issues. You have to wait for a few minutes. Now click on this option, yes, open audio enhancements, click on it. Now click on OK to close this window. And you can see the issue has been fixed. You can see the tick icon and you can also see the cross icon has been removed now. Click on close. So in the most cases, this troubleshooter will fix your issue. Now move on to our next step. If you are still getting the same issue, click on your Windows icon again. Now type control panel. Click on this control panel app. Now in the view by section, change it to small icons. Now click on sound. This is the option sound. Click on it. Now click on the first tab, playback, and this is my speaker. If this was disabled like this, you have to enable it. Simply right click on it and click on enable. Okay, so make sure this speaker is enabled. Now right click on it, then click on properties. Now click on this second tab, levels, and here you can set the levels of your speaker, or if this option is disabled from here like this, if this option is disabled, simply enable it. Click on it to enable your speaker from here as well. Now click on this third tab, enhancement, and click on restore default. So this option will restore the default settings. Click on it. Now click on this advanced tab and click on restore default. Now click on the last tab, click on restore default. That's it. Now click on OK. OK. Click on OK. Now restart your system and it will fix your issue. If you are still getting the same issue, right click on your speaker icon, right click on it, and then click on this option, open sound settings. Now click on this option, manage sound devices, and here you will see these two devices. This is a speaker and this is the microphone. Click on speaker and make sure this option is enabled from here. If I disable it, you can enable it from here as well. Click on enable. So make sure this option is enabled. Your speaker is enabled from here. Now click on go back. Now scroll down. Click on this option, app volume and device preferences. Now click on this reset option. So this will reset your speaker settings. Click on reset. That's it. Now restart your system and it will fix your issue. Now move on to our final step. Check your driver, your audio driver in device manager. So right click on your Windows icon, then click on device manager. Now click on this option, sound, video and game controllers. Expand this option, and this is my audio driver, high definition audio device. Right click on it, then click on update driver. Click on search automatically. So this will update your audio driver and make sure your internet is working. Click on close. Now check, and if you are still getting the same issue, move on to our next step. Right click on it, then click on uninstall device. Click on uninstall, and after that immediately restart your system and it will automatically reinstall your audio driver and it will also fix your audio related issues. And the final step you can do is if you do not see your audio driver in device manager, or you recently install an operating system in your laptop and there is no audio, in that case you have to download your audio driver from internet. For example, if you are using a HP laptop, open your browser and in the browser tab type HP driver download. Click on the official website of HP. Now click on the category laptop. Now enter your laptop serial number, then click on submit and you will see all the drivers of your HP laptop. Now download and install the audio driver and it will fix your issue. So these are some troubleshooting steps you can apply. This is all for the video. Thank you.